Hello, my name is Alvaro. Welcome to the first video of ABC Guitar Workshop. I'm making this video because I'm joining the Great Guitar Build of 2020 Unofficial Challenge, and I have 28 days left to start and finish an electric guitar, which is something that I have never done in such a short period of time. So it's definitely a challenge, but it's gonna be fun. The challenge allows builders to use guitar kits, which I won't be doing, but I will be using this blank maple neck. It's a left-handed maple neck, and it has a maple fretboard with black dot inlays. It's beautiful. And for the body, I will be using this blank of spruce. It's actually book matched. These were two pieces that I glued together. And this was not my original plan for the body, but I couldn't get the wood that I wanted in time, so I'm gonna start with this and see how it goes. I designed this guitar on Rhinoceros 3D, which is a CAD software, and I printed the plans on A4 paper and I taped it together, and then I taped it to the blank, always following the center line. And the first thing that I'm going to do is to prepare the comfort cut for the arm over here. Okay, that should be good enough. Now, the next step is to route the shape, but I don't have a router, so let's go and get one. So I went to the local hardware store and got myself this Bosch router. I wanted to buy this for some years, and today was finally the day. But before routing the spruce, I have to do a couple of things. First of all, I'm going to use this 3mm piece of spare wood, whatever it is, and I'm going to transfer the printout here, and I'm going to cut the shape here first. So then I'm going to use this very special routing bit. You can see that it has a ring here and a ring over here, so you can copy templates, and that's how we are going to transfer the shape to the piece of spruce. But before that, I need a routing table. I have this desk, and it has this curve over here, and I think that is going to be perfect. So I can put the routing bit in the middle, and I have a very comfortable area to work. So let's find out the size of the hole and how to fix the router underneath and so on. I don't think we need this. Oh, this is amazing. Okay, I found some legs and I have a drill, so let's start with the holes. Okay, so that's big enough for the router bit fit and to cut the rest of the hole. Shit. this bit is too big for this router. Don't know if you can see it, but this doesn't fit here, and it doesn't seem to be possible, so that's pretty bad. Yeah, doesn't fit. I'm gonna have to wait a couple of days because I ordered some other bits on Amazon, and I will have to continue without the router today. I guess I'm gonna use the jigsaw. Always use ear protection when you work with power tools. So the outline of my template is done. It has very smooth edges, and I think it's gonna be quite easy to transfer this shape to the real body once I have the right routing bits. That's gonna be next week. So until then, I'm gonna continue making this template. I'm gonna cut the pockets for the pickups, and I think I'm also gonna cut the pocket for the bridge. It's a tremolo system, Fender style, so yeah, it's not a big issue. And then I will probably make another template on another piece of wood for the back of the trem system. Let's see how it goes. I think I should actually use a cutter to score the outline of the cavities, because this printout is falling apart and I'm gonna lose my reference, so I'm gonna do that now, and then I'm gonna continue trimming these pickup holes. I don't have to worry about the paper anymore, but I should do the bridge now. And then I should also do the outline for the output jack. There it is. Yep, I have to fix this. Right, this is going well, but I still have to finish these edges. Okay, so I am done with my template for the body. It's looking pretty good, to be honest. It already has the holes for the pickups, the tremolo bridge system, and the output jack. And the other template that I want to do today is this one. I don't know if you can see it. Well, it's for the back of the trem system. So I'm gonna cut that now, and I think that's it for today. So let's do that. Let's try something. So this should fit perfectly. Yes, sir. There you go. So I'm done for today. To summarize, I started by cutting this edge over here and preparing the comfort cut. Then I created this template. This is going to be used to transfer the shape and the pockets onto the body. But I will only be able to do that next week when I have the right routing bits. And I sadly cannot work on this guitar every day because I have a bunch of things going on in my life besides making guitars. But I think that if I keep moving on, like today, I will manage it in 4 weeks. If you have any suggestions, please write them in the comments. I need help and I need advice. I don't have much time, so I have to have as much information as possible. If you have questions, please write them in the comments. And if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and what else do you do on YouTube? Click the bell for notifications. I don't know. I will learn what to say on the next videos. So thank you very much for joining, and see you next time.